In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to view deleted, voided invoices or bills in Xero, 5 minutes. Let's start by signing in. Open Xero, choose Login, enter your credentials, and click Login again. Once you land on the main dashboard, we'll head straight to where invoices live. From the top menu, open Business, then select Invoices. This page organizes your sales invoices by status, which makes it easy to find what can be removed or voided. Before we act, a quick rule of thumb in Xero. Only invoices that are in draft or awaiting approval can be deleted. Anything that's already approved, paid, or part allocated can't be deleted, but you can void it to keep an audit trail without affecting balances. To delete a draft invoice, switch to the Draft tab, pick the invoice you want to remove, open it, and choose Delete. Xero will ask you to confirm. Click OK to delete, and the invoice disappears from your list. That's all there is to it for drafts. Next, let's do the same for an invoice that's awaiting approval. Go to the Awaiting Approval tab, open the invoice you no longer need, click Delete, and confirm the prompt. Again, Xero removes it from active lists. Deleting is best when the invoice was created by mistake and never issued. If you need to keep a record but stop the invoice from being collected or paid, voiding is the better choice. From the Invoices screen, you can stay on All to locate the invoice. Open it, then look to the top right for the three-dot menu, click that, choose Void, and confirm by clicking Void once more. The invoice stays in your records with a zero balance and a voided status, which is useful for audit purposes and future reference. When you return to your list, voided items display the voided status, while deleted drafts or submissions no longer appear. A couple of tips as you work. If you don't see the option to delete or void, check your user permissions with your Xero administrator. Also, be careful when removing invoices that have been sent to customers. If you need the trail, void instead of delete. The same navigation applies to bills on the purchases side, so you can review and void or delete bills using the equivalent tabs. That's it. You now know how to locate invoices by status, delete drafts or those awaiting approval, and void invoices when you need a clear audit trail. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your own Xero file.